Hello and hi everyone. So today we are group 10 from section 3 and 4. We will present about problem-based learning. The problem based on chapter 2, which is application of first order differential equation. First of all, I will introduce my group members. First, Muhammad Sharul Ashraf bin Jumali. Second, Nordiana Sufia binti Rosli. Third, me, Nur Farisha Irwayu binti Mustafa. And the last, Nur Ain binti Toha. The agenda for today is an introduction, fila table, minutes meeting, problem backgrounds, solution of case study, discussion and conclusion, and last, reference. Without further ado, I will start with introduction. This chapter will discuss two types of application where ordinary differential equation were used. The name is population growth and decay, and Newton's law cooling. Let T be the number of population for any time of T, and P naught is the initial number of population, and dP over dt is the rate of population growth. Without further, the rate of growth is proportional to the number of population, or dP over dt equal Kp, where K is a proportional constant. This is a first order separable ODE, where P can be found by solving the ODE, which is dP over dt equal Kp rearranged to dP over P equal K dt. Integrate both sides, we can get ln P equal Kt plus C. P equal exponent of Kt plus C equal exponent of C exponent of Kt. The last answer, we can get A exponent of Kt, where C is the integration constant, and the answer A equal exponent of C. At T equal 0, the number of population is P equal P naught. A can be found by P equal A exponent of Kt, which is T equal 0, P equal P naught. Replace T with 0, we can get A equal P naught. The last answer, Pt equal P naught exponent of Kt. This is equation of growth model.
Next, I will present about fila table, which is fila table for part A, question 2. The number of bacteria in a liquid culture is observed to grow at a rate proportional to the number of cells present. At the beginning of the experiment, there are 10,000 cells, and after 3 hours, there are 500 and thousands. So, find how many will be there after 1 day of growth if this unlimited growth continues, and find the doubling time of bacteria. So the fact from this question is there are 10,000 cells at the beginning of the experiment, and after 3 hours there are 500,000 cells there. However, the idea from this question is bacteria in a liquid culture are observed to multiply. As we can see, bacteria cells increase substantially within 3 hours, and the number of bacterial cells is increasing on a daily basis. So for solve this question, we use the solution steps of population growth. Learning issue from this question is what is the doubling time of bacteria, and how many will there be after 1 day of growth if this unlimited growth continues. For the last one, action plans or resource needed is we build the questionnaire, identify the good way to write up the questionnaire by internet, we do some reference from book and internet, and the last one we discuss with our group members to solve this question. Continue with fila table for part B, question 3, which is according to the drag equation, the velocity of an object moving through a fluid can be modeled by the equation dV over dt equal equal to negative kV to the power of 2, where k is a constant. Find the general solution to this equation and what will the velocity be after 10 seconds if an object moving through the water has an initial velocity of 40 meter per second and the velocity has decreased to 30 meter per second after 2 seconds. The fact from this question is the velocity of an object moving through a fluid can be modeled by the equation. Next, ideas that we got from this question is the initial velocity of an object moving through water is 40 meter per second and after 2 seconds, the velocity has decreased to 30 meter per second. Then for solve this question, we use the solution step of population growth and decay problem. However, learning issue is how long will the velocity take after 10 seconds and why is it necessary to find the general equation to this question. The last one, action plan or research needed, is we build the questionnaire, identify the good way to write out the question by internet, and we do some reference from book and internet, and the last one we discuss. Next, I will continue present about minutes meeting. We had do the first meeting at 23 June 2021 for an hour from 1:30 PM until 2:30 PM at platform Google Meet, and all group members are present. During this meeting, a representative of the group members explained about the assignment given by our lecturer, including the format, to make sure all of our group members understand about this assignment and remind to our group members about the deadline for submitting this assignment. Other than that, we also dividing the task to each member of group and discuss which question we are able to ask and how to solve the question that we choose. All members do their part and show their cooperate to finish this work. After done discussing, we decided to hold a second meeting which will take place on 29 June 2021 in order to improvise on the mistake that have occurred before we submit this assignment. Next, second meeting we do at 29 June 2021 for 1 hour and 50 minutes from 1:40 PM until 2:25 PM at platform Google Meet, and as usual, all group members are present. During this meeting, we get the information from all members, then we check the assignment for the last to addressing errors in order to correct them before submitting. After that, we discuss preparation for presentation such as slides, video presentation, and finish it at the day.
Now I would like to present about problem background. First, part A, question 2. The number of bacteria in a liquid culture is observed to grow at a rate proportional to the number of cells present. At the beginning of the experiment, there are 10,000 cells, and after 3 hours, there are 500,000. First, find how many will there be after 1 day of growth if this unlimited growth continues. B. The doubling time of bacteria. Part B, question 3. According to the drug equation, the velocity of an object moving through a fluid can be modeled by the equation dv over dt equal negative kv power 2, where k is a constant. A. Find the general solution to this equation. B. An object moving through the water has an initial velocity of 4 meter per second. 2 seconds later, the velocity has decreased to 30 meter per second. What will the velocity be after 10 seconds? Next, solution of case study. Part A, question 2. A. How many will there be after 1 day of growth if this unlimited growth continues? The solution, 2b over 2t equals c. Integrate 2b equal integrate c dt. b equal ct plus c1. Given b equal 500,000, t equal 1, c equal 10,000. 500,000 equal 10,000 multiply 1 plus C1. C1 equal 490,000. B equal CT plus 490,000. B equal 10,000 multiply 54 plus 490,000. B equal 730,000 bacteria. B. The doubling time of bacteria. The solution: 2b over 2t equal 10,000 equal C equal 10,000 bacteria per hour. 2b equal 2 multiply 500,000. 100,000 equal 10,000 multiply t plus 490,000. T equal 51 hours.
Next, I will continue with solution of case study for part B, question 3. The first question need to find the general solution to this equation. So the solution is dv over dt equal negative kv square. Integrate both sides, we can get ln v equal negative kt plus c. From that, we can get v equal exponent of negative kt plus c. Let a equal exponent of c, v equal a exponent of negative kt. Given initial velocity equal 40 meter per second. From v equal a exponent of negative kt, replace t with 0, we can get a equal p naught. From that, pt equal p naught exponent of negative kt. This is equation of decay model. Question B. An object moving through the water has an initial velocity of 40 meter per second. 2 seconds later, the velocity has decreased to 30 meter per second. What will the velocity be after 10 seconds? The solution is when t equal to 0, p naught is equal to 40. The new equation for decay is pt equal to 40 exponent of negative kt. Next, when t equal to 2 and p equal to 30, we can replace the value of t and p into the equation of decay, which is 40 exponent of negative 2k equal to 30. Add ln into the both sides, we can get ln exponent of negative 2k equal to ln 30 over 40. From this, we can find the value of k. K is equal to 0.14385. Replace the value of k into the equation of decay. We can get pt equal to 40 exponent of negative 0.14385t. Last, when t equal to 10, we need to find the value of p. P10 equal to 40 exponent of negative 0.14385 multiplied by 10. The answer is 2.25. The velocity after 10 seconds is 2.25 meter per second. That's all.
For discussion and solution for the question 2 from part A, we have been discussed and solved with calculation. The result for calculation is the number of bacteria in a liquid culture after 1 day of growth. If unlimited growth continue as 730,000. To get the result, we use the formula and the information given where B is equal to 500,000, T equal to 1 and C equal to 10,000. Firstly, the initial number of bacteria cell are 10,000. Then it becomes 50,000 after 3 hours. Then we insert the value given to the formula. Then to find the doubling time of bacteria, we use the formula where the answer is 51 hours. As the conclusion, the bacteria cells increase from 50,000 to 730,000 and the doubling time of bacteria is 51 hours. The result of the discussion has also proven that by applying knowledge in engineering mathematics can be used to identify the number of bacteria in a liquid culture and the doubling time of bacteria. After we identify and understand the question, which is question 3 from part B, firstly, we find the general solution for the equation given, which is the answer is V equal to A exponent power of negative KT. Then we insert the value to the formula and the final answer is PT equal to P0 exponent power of negative KT. For question B, given the initial velocity is 40 meter per second and after 2 seconds, the velocity has decreased to 30 meter per second. We find the velocity after 10 seconds by using the formula PT equal to 40 exponent power of negative KT. We then get ln 30 over 40. From the equation, we are able to find the K value. Then we get the velocity after 10 seconds is 2.25 meter per second.